Have you ever stopped your bike for just 2 minutes, pressed the starter, and suddenly your motorcycle behaves like it has emotionally disconnected from you? Well, that's exactly what started happening to me on my BMW. Old start, perfect. Hot restart, rookie rider Mir standing there in Dubai heat, looking like a man who just failed motorcycle ownership 101. So before sacrificing more money to the BMW gods, I turned to my good old friend ChatGPT. And surprisingly, it gave this rookie a simple 4-step diagnostic method to figure out whether the problem was with the battery, the alternator, the starter motor, or some mysterious BMW sensor drama. In this video, I'll show you all 4 tests and how this Gen X rookie finally tracked down the real culprit. Okay, now it's time to test not just the intelligence of ChatGPT, but also my rookie skills. Are still rookie? So let's start. So my tools today is my almost 30 years old multimeter. I have already opened the battery cover, as you can see, and also learned as rookie advice, when you take this off, it's just one small screw here. When you take this off, you have to make sure that you don't lose these rubber gourmets here and here. I've already lost one of them once, so this time I was making sure I don't lose it. So now we'll see what ChatGPT said and we'll follow that. So ChatGPT says take these steps as we see on the screen now. Back in neutral, turn ignition off. It is multimeter set at 20 and test from testing battery voltage bike off. So I'm going to test as recommended. This is what ChatGPT is saying. So here I go, and meter is showing 13. ChatGPT says if it's between 12.7 to 12.9 volt, it is excellent. So first test is 13 as we just measured. Second test, hold with ignition on, engine not running. Let's try that. Now we'll turn the ignition on. So ChatGPT says drops below 12, just sitting there, battery is weak. It's to spin. Steady is 12.5. Okay. Test the most important test according to ChatGPT. Approves on battery, have a helper press the starter and helper myself, and we'll see what is the lowest voltage. So this is a bit tricky. I have to hold both of them with one hand, making sure I don't short anything. And I'm going to, and I'll see what is the lowest voltage it hits. Here we go. So it was 9.7. What does ChatGPT say? Okay, so now it says that if it is less than 10 volt, battery weak, or started drawing too much current. Let's run this test one more time just to make sure. Here we go. Yeah, it definitely goes to 9.62 as you saw. Okay, test for charging system. So it's saying now measure voltage at idle and 3000 RPM. We'll start the bike first. It was 14.3. So charging system looks okay. Well, there you have it, folks. After all 4 tests, the diagnosis is clear. The battery is weaker than my willpower when someone offers me biryani. The good news is that Manchali doesn't have some mysterious BMW electronic gremlin, a haunted sensor, or a secret German self-destruct feature. The culprit is simply a tired old battery that has served faithfully and now deserves a peaceful retirement. As for me, rookie rider Mir can finally stop inventing complicated theories and start shopping for a new battery. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, or if you have ever stood next to your bike pretending to know what's wrong while secretly having absolutely no idea like me, please hit the like button and subscribe to Motorrad. Until next time, ride safe, keep the shiny side up, and remember, Sometimes the smartest diagnostic tool in the garage is not a mechanic, it's ChatGPT, helping a rookie biker avoid unnecessary repair bills. See you in the next adventure. Signing off, Motor.